In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animations in Canva. Maybe you added a bounce or a rise effect earlier and now you want a clean, static design for printing, exporting as a PDF, or just a more minimal look. The good news is that removing animations is quick, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your design project. Make sure you're on the page you want to adjust and that your canvas is visible. It's helpful to zoom to a comfortable level so you can clearly see the elements you'll be working with. Next, select the item you want to make static. This can be a text box, an image, or a graphic, anything that currently moves or has an entrance effect. Selection matters here because Canva shows animation options based on the element you've highlighted. If nothing is selected, the animation controls may not appear the way you expect. If you have several items with animations, you'll repeat this process for each one to bring everything back to a still state. With the element selected, look toward the top toolbar. You'll see a button that either says Animate or displays the name of the current effect, such as Rise. Click that. This opens the animation panel, where Canva previews available motions and shows anything already applied. Seeing the current effect listed there confirms you're in the right place. In the animation panel, choose None at the top to remove the effect. This tells Canva that the selected item should no longer animate. Alternatively, you might see a Remove Animation button at the bottom. Clicking that does the same thing. Either option clears the motion and returns your element to a simple, static state. Don't worry, this won't delete your text or image. It only removes the motion effect, leaving your design content exactly as it is. From here, repeat the same process for any other animated elements you want to make static. Select the item, open the animation controls in the top toolbar, then pick None or Remove Animation. Working methodically helps ensure you don't miss anything, especially on designs with multiple layers. Once you've removed the animations from the elements you intended, your design is ready for static use. This keeps your layout consistent across downloads and presentations, and it helps avoid unexpected movement in final files. Thanks for watching.